It spins on its side. Not tilted slightly, not leaning the way Earth leans, giving us seasons and the comfortable rhythm of a year. Uranus spins at 98 degrees, essentially lying flat on its axis, rolling through space like a ball knocked over by something enormous, something violent, something that happened so long ago the solar system itself was still being assembled. And that is just where the story begins. Uranus is the third largest planet in our solar system, a world of ice and gas so vast that 63 Earths could fit inside it. It sits almost 2 billion miles from the Sun, orbiting in such profound cold that its cloud tops register as the coldest temperatures of any planet in the solar system, colder even than Neptune, which sits 1 billion miles further out. Scientists call it an ice giant, but that name is misleading. The ice inside Uranus is not the kind you would recognize. Under pressures so extreme they defy ordinary imagination, water, methane, and ammonia are compressed into a hot, dense, electrically conducting fluid that behaves nothing like anything found on Earth. And deep within that fluid, something extraordinary may be happening. The pressure inside Uranus is so immense that scientists believe it may be literally raining diamonds. Carbon atoms stripped from methane molecules and compressed under millions of atmospheres of pressure crystallize and fall through the interior like precipitation, diamonds the size of rocks sinking slowly through a world of crushing dark. Laboratory experiments attempting to recreate these conditions have produced results that suggest this is not a hypothesis. It may be a regular feature of Uranus's interior, a constant, silent diamond rain falling in the deep dark of a world we have barely touched. But why is it lying on its side? This is the question that keeps planetary scientists awake. The leading theory is a collision, a catastrophic impact early in the solar system's history, when a body at least the size of Earth struck Uranus with enough force to knock it over entirely. The evidence is in its axis, in the strange way its moons orbit, tilted with the planet, circling it like a vertical wheel rather than a horizontal one, and in the bizarre behavior of its magnetic field, which doesn't emerge from the poles the way it does on most planets, but from an offset point deep inside, tumbling erratically as the planet rotates. Uranus doesn't just have a magnetic field, it has a broken one. The field flips and twists as Uranus rotates, creating an environment unlike anything else in our solar system, a magnetosphere that opens and closes like a valve as the planet spins, alternately allowing solar wind to pour in and then snapping shut. Scientists modeling this behavior have suggested that the collision that tilted the planet may have disrupted the interior structure so fundamentally that the magnetic field has never recovered. 40 years after the collision, or perhaps billions of years, the planet is still, in some deep geophysical sense, reeling. Then there are the rings. Uranus has them. Not the magnificent sweeping rings of Saturn. These are dark, narrow, difficult to see, and only discovered in 1977 when astronomers watching Uranus pass in front of a star noticed the starlight dimming before and after the planet itself blocked it. The rings were hiding. Dark as coal, made of material so black it reflects almost no light, encircling a world already cloaked in blue-green mystery. And then there are the moons, 27 of them, all named after characters from Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Miranda, the most dramatic of them, has a canyon 10 times deeper than the Grand Canyon, cliffs that drop vertically for 12 miles, the tallest known cliffs in the solar system, and a surface so chaotic and fractured that scientists believe it may have been completely shattered and reassembled multiple times by impacts or tidal forces. A moon that died and came back several times. Uranus keeps its secrets well. Its cloud layers trap internal heat so effectively that almost none escapes. Unlike Jupiter and Saturn, which radiate more heat than they receive from the Sun, Uranus releases almost nothing. It holds everything inside, silent and cold and sealed. Scientists are not entirely sure why. The same collision that tilted it may have disrupted the internal heat flow so profoundly that the planet lost the ability to release what it generates. struck so hard it forgot how to breathe. The next mission to Uranus has been recommended as NASA's highest priority for the coming decade. After nearly 40 years of silence, we may finally be going back. And based on everything 14 hours of data revealed last time, what a dedicated orbiter will find promises to rewrite everything we thought we understood about how planets form, how they survive catastrophe, and what the deep interiors of ice giants truly hold. Uranus has been waiting. It has been lying on its side in the dark for 4.5 billion years, full of diamonds and broken magnetism and impossible canyons, and the universe has been patient. Now it is our turn. If stories like this one pull you to the edge of what is known and make you hungry for what lies beyond, this is your community. Like this video, subscribe to Legacy Untold, hit the notification bell so you never miss what we uncover next. The solar system is stranger than anyone told you, and we are just getting started.